Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So friends, as you know that today was the TCS Tag Test 2026. So in this video, I will discuss complete questions and solution. Besides that, I will tell you what will the cutoff for the Ninja as well as digital category. First of all, must comment here that how was your test, whether you stuck at taking input or not, or whether you are facing some issue related to means some kind of technical issue or not. क्योंकि बहुत लोग का मुझे comment आया related to technical issue. Okay, and main things friend that I want to tell you that many of the students got the technical issue because they don't know how to take input in TCS tag test. That why I've told you lots of time that आप ये ज़रूर वीडियो देख के जाइए जहाँ पर मैंने बताया कि इनपुट कैसे लिया जाता है. इफ़ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू टेक इनपुट देन यू माइट गेट टेक्निकल एरर. या कुछ लोग का जेन्यून एरर था बट बहुत लोग का इशू ये है कि यू डोंट नो हाउ टू टेक इनपुट. Okay, so let me come to the questions. So first question was pretty much easy and many of the candidate easy solve this question. Okay, so what was that is the prime factorization of number. So given a positive integer n, find and print its prime factorization. For example, you will given a single integer input and you have to just print the all means factors of this. Okay, prime factorization I think you know very well. So what approach I am using it? Nothing, just repeatedly divide the number by 2. Check all odd number from 3 to root n. If remaining number is greater than 1, it is prime means, and then I will check that. Okay, so I will provide complete code link and question in the description from where you can get access to all the code. In this video I will just explain C++ code and you can go through the Java Python code. You need to just understand the logic only. Okay, so first of all I am including a library. Must comment here that whether this work or not. I think many of the candidates say that it work, means you can use hashtag include bits std c++.h. Then I am taking the input. Then for int I equal to 2 to I square less than n I plus plus count equal to 0, while n mod I not equal to 0 n divided by I count plus plus. ना बहुत लोग बोलते हैं इनका TLE आ रहा था, so you should comment here whether a TLE is coming or not. Okay, but this is the approach. You can just change the logic little bit. Now if count is greater than 0, so C out I means I will just print those factor, and if n greater than 1 then C out n. Okay, so this is the simple code for this. You can go through the Java code. Similarly I am taking the input scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in, n equal to sc dot next end. Then I am running a loop. लूप कहाँ से रन कर रहा हूँ? I equal to 2 so I square less than n count equal to 0 while n mod I equal to 0 just मैंने divide करते गया then count plus plus. Okay, so this is the simple things you have to do. So much comment here that whether you solve or not. I think many of the candidate able to solve these questions. Okay, coming to the next, you can go through the Python code. Coming to next, that is the very important question, and this was little bit trickier as well as medium to hard level question. That is the minimum toxicity subset with capacity constant. जिन्होंने भी मेरा वीडियो देखा होगा related to the TCS टैग टेस्ट, देयर आई हैव सेड यू दैट TCS का मोस्ट रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन और पैटर्न कहाँ से रहता है? सब एरे से या सबसेट हो गया या आप मीन्स मेनली जो फोकस रहता है स्ट्रिंग और एरे से रहता है. ओके, सो जिन्होंने इस बात पे ध्यान दिया आई थिंक दे गॉट द मीन्स दे आर एबल टू पास द मोस्ट ऑफ द टेस्ट केसेस. ओके, सो ये लिटिल बिट डीपी का क्वेश्चन था बट बहुत लोगों ने सिंपल एरे का कंसेप्ट लगा के भी कुछ टेस्ट केस पास किए. मस्ट कमेंट है दैट विच अप्रोच यू अप्लाइड हेयर. ओके, सो व्हाट वाज द प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट? यू आर गिवन 3 इंटीजर एरे ऑफ लेंथ n, मीन्स आपको 3 इंटीजर दिया है, इसका लेंथ n है. फर्स्ट इंटीजर दैट इज द बेट आई, मीन्स पहला एरे क्या आपका बेट आई विच विल डिनोट द बेट ऑफ ith टर्म. नेक्स्ट कैपेसिटी आई, कैपेसिटी ऑफ ith टर्म, एंड देन टॉक्सिसिटी ऑफ द ith टर्म. Next thing that you have to select the subset of items such that these are the very important condition which you have to apply in the code. First condition is that no two selected item are adjacent in the list, means दोनों एक दूसरे के adjacent नहीं होना चाहिए. Next condition था sum of weights of selected items equal to sum of capacities of selected item. And last one was total toxicity of selected item is minimized, which is very important things. Okay, and this if no subset exists then return -1. So remember friend, there might be some changes in the you can say the problem you face in the tag test, but logic जो है क्वेश्चन का जिस्ट मैंने जितना कैंडिडेट से बात किया है उन्होंने जो बताया यही था. ओके, सो होप क्वेश्चन क्लियर टू यू. मीन्स जस्ट यू हैव टू टेक 3 इंटीजर एरे and first will be the weight I, next capacity I, and next one is the toxicity. Okay, coming to approach, first of all you can go through the example. Weight suppose 4 to 6, capacity 4 to 6, toxicity 517, then output will be 6. Okay, so you have to basically return in 3 integer length and you must select subtract and return the minimum total toxicity कितना आ सकता है. So ये अगर कीजिए तो total toxicity will be 6. How? You have to select item at index 0 and 1. Okay, and means at index 0 and 1 is invalid due to adjacency, so choose an indexes 0 and 2, means you have to choose the index 0 and 2, and if you will compute the toxicity you will get the answer as 6. So I hope it is clear to you. Now coming to the approach, so what approach I am applying here? First of all, let difference equal to sum of weights minus sum of capacity. Next, we want difference equal to 0, isn't it? Next, I will use the DP with hash map to track the minimum toxicity for each possible difference. And next, I will skip the next index whenever an item is selected. Why? Because they have applied the constraint that no adjacent element we can choose. Okay, that is the important thing, that no two selected items are adjacent. So that's why we will skip that. Okay, अगर क्वेश्चन आपको समझ में आया, जस्ट वीडियो को थोड़ा बैक कीजिए एंड ट्राई टू understand the all things which I have discussed now. Okay, then you will get clear cut idea about the question. Little bit trickier tha, that's why many of the students not able to solve, but I also got the comment from many of the candidates they able to pass 14 out of 14 test cases. Okay, so if you have done pretty much coding then at least एक क्वेश्चन तो आपको होना चाहिए था. Okay, next, coming to the code, so first of all I am including the library bits stdc++.h using namespace standard. Now I am declaring a constant that is 1 to power 9. Okay, sorry, 10 to power 9. Then taking the input, so 3 array I have to take input now for weight, for capacity and for toxicity. There I have said now that you have to select or you have to take the input 3, that is the weight I array, then capacity I array, and then toxicity array. So I am taking the input by running the loop. Next, I am creating the unordered map for the DP. Okay, so this is the problem of the dynamic programming. You can also solve by applying some other logic because some students able to pass that. Next, I am running the loop from I equal to 0 to I less than n, and I have just created the unordered map that is next equal to DP. Means unordered map मैंने create किया, next उसमें मैंने DP का जो element था सबको store कर लिया. Now for auto ampersand p in dp means I will just traverse the dp and now calculating the new difference. So new difference will be p dot first plus weight I minus ci, isn't it? Because I will sum up the first element, then I will differentiate weight I minus ci. Okay, now next new difference equal to minimum of this, because you have to basically give the output as minimum. Okay, minimum toxicity they said na. Yeah, minimum toxicity for each possible difference, so that's why I'm taking the mean of that. Okay, and then coming to next, so next dot count new difference, new next difference, otherwise inf, then p dot second plus toxicity I. So this is the important things. Now dp equal to next, just I am updating this and I am skipping the adjacent element because in the question they have clearly mentioned that you have to skip the adjacent element. You can go through the questions. They have said that sum of weight of selected item, no two selected items are adjacent in the list. So this is the concept you have to apply, and if you able to grasp the logic then it is easier. But if you can't solve these type of question then आप भाई अपना खुद से logic exam में नहीं बना सकते. You are very well known aware of that. Now coming to Java code, so same way I have taken the input scnext.in, taking the array input. Okay, sc.next int करके 3 array मैंने input ले लिया. Then I am creating the map. Okay, and again I am just putting initializing the dp array. Okay, and dp put 0 0, then I0 to I less than n, then I am creating new hash map and storing the dp value. Now I am just applying the same logic, that is difference plus weight I minus ci. Next dot put new difference math dot min. Why I am taking math dot min? Because they said minimum toxicity you have to get, and then I am just getting the difference and all things. Okay, now skipping the adjacent elements. So same things I am doing in Java. Coming to Python, so you can go through the Python code, and this was your question. So must comment here that how many question you were able to solve. coming to important part, that how many number of question you will be required to pass this test, or to eligible for the interview. So friends, if you are able to solve one question completely, then you will be eligible for Ninja. If you solved 1.5 question, then you will be eligible for digital question, means a digital interview. अगर आपने दोनों किया, then of course digital. No prime call for from the TCS tag test. Though you will get further, means if you selected in the interview, then further आपको opportunity मिलेगा. Okay, and you can upgrade your role to prime. But currently TCS Ninja digital ही मिलता है. Coming to other things, that those students who have partially passed the test case, means suppose 5 टेस्ट केस क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का पास हुआ एंड 5 अलग का हुआ दूसरे का, देन देर इज ऑल्सो चांस ऑफ गेटिंग डिजिटल. बट इफ़ यू एबल टू solve two test cases from both, then there is a less chance, friend. I am giving you clear cut idea. Okay, if you have done the coding well, then I will suggest go and start preparing for the interview, because you will get little bit time for the interview when the result will be announced. So don't wait for that time. अभी आपके पास कम से कम मिनिमम 20 to 30 डे यू विल बी हैविंग. सो स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द इंटरव्यू, एंड इफ़ यू नीड एनी असिस्टेंट और placement material for the interview, then you can go through our video where I have provided the free interview preparation material. Okay, those who couldn't able to solve, I will suggest now focus on your off campus drive. Okay, because you know where you are getting stuck and where you are basically lagging behind, so improve that. And इसमें आपको वही टैग टेस्ट में एक बेनिफिट था कि यू हैव टू जस्ट सॉल्व कोडिंग क्वेश्चन, बट इन NQT यू हैव टू सॉल्व ऑल द क्वेश्चंस, मीन्स इंक्लूडिंग द एप्टीट्यूड. सो आपको रीजनिंग, इंग्लिश, मैथ ये सब करना होगा, उसके बाद ही आपको वही कोडिंग करना है. ओके, सो स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग नाउ. इफ़ यू नीड एनी स्टडी मटेरियल, गो थ्रू आवर वीडियो. आई हैव प्रोवाइडेड फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल एंड preparation roadmap, so you can refer to this video. And those who need assistant in interview after selection, you can basically fill our form. So hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you, and best of luck for the upcoming journey. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.